Nini nene cia mwaki nicio irokire rucini rwa umuthi thutha wa rori ya maguta ma ndege kuguthana na rori ingi ya gukua mirigo barabara-ini nene ya Southern Bypass guku Nairobi. Kuringana na aria meyoneire mutino uyu, rori ya maguta niyo yurire barabara thutha wa kuhingicwo ni rori ingi kurugamite mbere yayo na yakira nginyagia mukira uria ungi wa barabara ino nene kuria muthie guthanie na rori ya mirigo mbere ya icunjurite na gutuika kiongo kiayo kiria kiguire barabara-ini ya thi kuria ndereba wayo agiriire munyaka haha githarwo na kuguthukio thibitari.
Hiyo gari imetoka hapo juu ime lose control, kapata mwenzake wakagongana ingine kwa ingine. Sasa habari ilikuwa hiyo. Nilikuwa toka huko chini kipanda juu, hizo gari zikakutana, ingine kwa ingine zikagongana.
One of the vehicle was carrying jet fuel. It busted in flames, and as a result we have lost one person, the driver of the vehicle that was coming from KUGUTHANA general direction.
No mwaki munene uria umundire kumana na maguta maya ma ndege waitika gucina rori cicieri makiria rori ino egukuite maguta kuria ndereba wa rori iri ingi egukuite mirigo akwamire rori-ini yake na mutino wahira haha nginyagia gikiro atangikurikana undu uria wikiritwo mukonde ni OCPD wa Lang'ata Pius Mwanthi.
The driver of the vehicle that busted and was carrying jet fuel fortunately sustained injuries. He was rescued and taken to the nearby hospital where he has been treated and is now in fair condition. Also, because of the frame, other three vehicles were also affected, and though they also not badly burned.
Hathara nene yarumirira kuona mwaki uyu no uhutirie ngari ingi ithatu kawoci-ini iria yuma hakuhi na riu matereba makiurio gwikirira utwarithia wa ngari uri na uigiririki makiria barabara-ini nene niguo gwithemana na mitino, hathara na ikuo.
I would with a lot of humility emphasize for our drivers to be very careful when they are using public roads because like this one, Southern Bypass is very busy and a lot of vehicles normally use it. So my urge to the drivers is to be extremely careful, and I believe for you to be on a public road, you are trained. Let them follow procedures the way they were trained.
Hadunya Kameme TV letu rako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.